Hello everyone! It is now officially Adventures in the Philippines. In all honesty, I have no idea what activities or sites I'll be exploring. So you could say that it'll be a part of the adventure. So stay tuned to discover all the mysterious and random thrills and frills of this trip. Hello everyone, I am now at the airport. Got through check-in and my luggage barely passed the 23 kilogram mark. I was at 22.9. Got by the skin of my teeth. So now I'm just waiting to board. I have about an hour left. So I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm flying by myself, which I haven't done in a long while. I'm more anxious than normal. I don't know if I'm going to sleep, but I downloaded many movies. I really hope it's going to be a smooth flight. Korean Air's in-flight safety video features the K-pop group Super M, featuring the song Let's Go Everywhere. Not only did I find it interesting and entertaining, but I actually paid attention to the whole safety message. We just left SFO about 20-30 minutes ago, and there's already significant non-stop turbulence, so much so that the cabin crew has to sit down until it's over, and they had to pause the preparation for meal service. OMG. Alright, so I'm now at Incheon Airport, and it's about a 2.5 hour layover here going to Manila. The flight alone was about 12 hours, and I think the flight from here to Manila is about 4 hours, so that definitely makes about an 18-hour day for me. And I look tired. The rest of the flight was very smooth, actually. Yeah, it was pretty smooth. I was able to watch movies, but I didn't get to sleep at all. And so now I am hungry again, even though we did have dinner 2 hours prior to landing. And I'm also very thirsty, even though I finished my whole water bottle prior to landing. But on this floor or section of the airport, there's absolutely no food or food and drinks. Well, there is one, but it's like a noodle bar. I just want a drink. We'll see if I'll find one. If not, I'll see you at the plane. found a drink. It is milk tea. I swear, the US Starbucks menu is the most boring.
Once you exit the building, after collecting your luggage from the luggage carousel, exit the building and cross the street to descend down a set of ramps. After crossing the street, you can either walk down the ramp to your left or to your right. If you go down the left side of the ramp, the bay stall number will be the higher number.
I asked if I was supposed to cross the street. You said no. Tinanong ko si Kuya, may taas baba pa to? So there is one.
So I actually arrived last night around 11:25 p.m. The last time I visited was about 15 years ago, and I only have a select memory of what I did on that trip, which was primarily to attend my brother's wedding. So arriving at the airport was a little confusing, which I included on the first part of this video. Hopefully it'll be helpful to those who have never been or are arriving for the first time to Manila International Airport. I'm hoping it'll provide a clear direction on where you would meet people who would be picking you up. If you're taking the cab from the airport, it's actually easier because you can catch the cab right outside the baggage claim doors at that upper section of the airport. When we arrived at my cousin's house, which was pretty much after midnight, we just all got into talking, and that's how we ended the night. So I will be staying here in my cousin's house in Pasig for about a day or two. So let me give you a tour of the house.
Darling, look at you on my mind.
We stayed in for the day since plans kept changing last minute. So all I was doing was pretty much eating childhood favorites this entire day. But I found that downtime at the beginning of a trip is quite unsettling.
I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. The rest just fades away. It's you and me. A magic holiday. A magic, a magic, a magic holiday. A magic, a magic, a magic.
On our way to visit relatives in Parañaque, where I lived for a few years as a child. A few of us stepped away from the gathering for an hour to visit and pay our respects to loved ones we've lost.
Hi, Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Oo nga pala, happy birthday, Mama Ellie.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New Year then, yes.
One of my goals on this trip was to buy prescription glasses, and I found an inexpensive Ted Baker frame. For the rest of the day, we were joined by a niece and nephew for dinner and tried Via Maris Bibingka and Puto, amongst other things. Then called it a day.